Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to integrate Calendly with Wix website. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. After that, what you need to do is go and log into your profile. But guys, if you don't have one, don't worry, you can always go and register to Calendly. But if you're having struggles with that guys, you can always go to our YouTube channel and check how you can do it. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have the create button, the schedule events, and we have the upgrade plan and the admin center. Also in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and integrate Calendly with Wix website. So firstly, what you need to do is go on this link that I will be providing you with. So go to help.calendly.com, how to add Calendly to a Wix website. Here, before you begin, you can see what you can need to do. Firstly, you need to go and sign into Wix. Then select edit site to open the editor, select plus and select embed and social. Then select embed code and the adjust widget will be added to the page. Then just go and select enter code and then adjust the size of the location on the widget and then push your site. And here we have how you have to do it for the pop-out widget and everything so on. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds guys, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.